Hi and welcome to 60-second face yoga. So I'm going to be showing you a technique which is really good for helping to reduce any puffiness around the eye area. It's great to use an eye gel or an eye serum, so you can just place a little bit onto your finger here and then you can just rub it in, so not very much, just a tiny, about a half a pea size, and then just tap it around. And then just do it the other way as well, just tapping all the way around, and then bring your index fingers here underneath your eyebrows, and with feather-like touch you're going to come underneath the eye area and up to this little indentation here either side of the nose, and just keep that going. This is great for lymphatic drainage. It helps to get rid of any puffiness around the eye area, any dark circles, any toxin build-up. And it's almost like you're turning on a tap and then you're moving it here into the drain. So this area is like the tap and then coming round, and this is like the drain. So helping with that excess build-up of fluid. And relaxing.